All right, so I wanted to share this. Heard this on the news today. Thought I would share it with you guys. Van Moof, I believe it's pronounced Moof. They shorten it somehow. I'm probably mangling it, but anyway, they've come out with a subscription-based purchase program for their smart bikes. Now, these are not the e-bikes yet, so I'm excited to see what they're going to come out with for that. But let's go ahead and check out the video. I love where they're going with this. I think it's a great idea.
We all know the disposable economy is ruining our planet. So at FunMoof, we made it our mission to build bikes tougher and smarter, so they stay on the road longer. Now that we've shaken up city bikes, it's time to shake up our business model. We believe in a model that drives us to make even better products. Bikes that last are cheaper in the long run, and we're going to prove it. Meet FunMoof Plus, a monthly subscription service that lets you ride a FunMoof for as long or as short as you want, with all the perks of owning a bike, but none of the worries. Our bike doctors keep your bike on the road with unlimited servicing. Your bike comes with built-in theft defense to scare off thieves. But if it does get stolen, our bike hunters track it down and return it to you, or replace it. And when you travel, there's always a spare bike waiting for you in every FunMoof brand store around the world. The future just rolled up. Jump on.
Not bad. Okay, now let's check out the smart bike. So we're going to scroll down here. You're going to see it's pretty straightforward. You choose between the two different bikes, the Smart X and the Smart S, with the two different designs. I'm going to choose the Smart S, and you have a few options here for color, either white, fog white, or thunder gray. You have two different choices for gears, either a 3-speed or an 8-speed. The other thing I want to call out is when you go to the site, you want to click on subscribe versus buy, if you're interested in that anyway. And you can see the price there, $19 a month. $289 for the key. Not bad. And you have some other options as well. When you add, for example, the bamboo set, you end up paying it for the price of the key. They don't actually make that a monthly item. So we'll remove that. Same with any kind of rear carrier add-on, and then any kind of additional subscription insurance. So it already comes with a peace of mind insurance. Then you have you can prepay up to a year or up to 3 years, and any kind of various lock. And again, these you're going to pay for as a part of that key. The cool thing about the subscription is it appears that you can subscribe to it at this base model, and then try it for a few months or so, and then you can actually sell the key to somebody else, or you can return it back to Van Moof, and they'll take the bike back, and that is a subscription. So just kind of a monthly pay as you go. Cool idea. And again, so if we look at the different bike types, though, they're only doing that. They're not doing that for the electrified. So these are the new electrified versions of the bike. Those go for $2,398. Here is the Electric S Electrified X. And here are their smart bikes. So you can see here with the price, these they're allowing you to subscribe to. You can subscribe to those. They haven't yet done it for any of the electric versions. But you could imagine at that price, it's probably at least going to be double for the key price, I would imagine. And the monthly subscription, not a bad idea. I mean, I hope they end up going through this. Let me know what you guys think. Check out their website. I hope some other companies start doing this as well. They definitely could get more bikes out there, and even better if it included the electric ones. All right. Listen, you guys have any notes you leave in the comments? I would like to hear what you think, and hope everybody's having a great week. Talk to y'all later. Bye.